can see yourself.
That's it, baby. I know you're on a roll, sweet honey. Let's take it real soon. You know we got what you need.
Hi. Okay, I think I can take this off for a little bit. So, anyways, you guys, so we're at the hotel. Finally, Lagos traffic is a bitch. Like, I think it's probably like supposed to be like 5 minutes from the airport, but we spent 25. That was my welcome to Lagos. This is home for the next 2 days. Not bad, not bad. Very nice. Here. So overlooking the pool. Not bad at all. Not bad. Something nice to feel. Who is that? So, wait, you guys, this is the best part. Are you ready? You're here. I know you're wondering what am I doing, but see, boom. Oh, you know, you want to check your outfit? Boom. See, now I know I need to have back-to-back mirror. Like, you cannot go wrong. Eh? Can you see? You'll be like, oh, check my back. I can see my back. Me?
So the mirror is just amazing. Like you can see yourself. You need to come and do your makeup here.
Yeah.
Like it's so nice.
My sister said, I've not been to Lagos in so long that I think I've gone to Jan.
That's the bathroom.
And she's correct. Like, I'm so excited about this sistercation. That's what I'm calling it now. It's sistercation. Because it's been a minute and we just want to chill. Girls just want to have fun. Oh, girls just want to have fun. Shower's gonna be popping. Oh wow, I love this. It's so nice. Wow, so artistic. Well, the room gonna be popping. My sister is wondering if I've lost my goddamn mind. I haven't. I'm just excited about our sistercation. It's a sistercation. See, they say your skin is popping. Oh God. Oh my God. Oh Lord, see the glow. Jesus. Hey guys, this room is so photogenic. It's ridiculous. All right. Bungalow. It's a Japanese restaurant and my first experience. So yeah, let's see how it goes.
You gotta feel it. Yeah, you gotta move along. You gotta feel it, feel it, feel it, feel. You gotta feel it, feel it, feel it, feel. You gotta feel it. On the roadway, you gotta move along. Baby, you gotta move along. I said, baby, you gotta move along. I said, honey, take it real slow. I said, honey, just take it real slow. You gotta groove on. Gotta groove on. Wow! Come on, groove along. I said, baby, I know you're on a roll. Sweet honey, let's take it real slow. You know we got what you need, baby, so take it, move along. I said we got what you need, honey, come and groove along. Come on. Rolling on the highway, you know. Wow! Come on. take it real slow. You know we got what you need, baby. So take it, move along. I said we got what you need.
Yes, I can use a chopstick. I think. Oh my god, so delicious. So good.
Oh, honey, come and move along. You gotta feel it. Yeah, you gotta move along. Gotta feel it, feel it, feel it.
Yes, I'm a foodie. That's why me and weight and fat, we have a very interesting relationship. I love good food. And this sushi, big. Big.
You gotta move along. Said honey, take it real slow. Said come on, groove along. I said, baby, I know you're on a roll. Sweet honey, let's take it real slow.